Hi guys, and today I have like a new bike, like a new and more improved bike, just so you'll hear less public. Actually, no, I will not really explain that. This is a bike where I'll won't see the same game. Yeah, yeah. God, now how you can break these things. I already do know about that somewhat. Wait a minute, I defeated an enemy. How did I not realize this? Time to defeat another one. Whoa. Come here, you. Firebird? What is this? Why are they adding new birds this late into the game? Like, seriously. What's the point of adding birds this late? Couldn't you add them, I know, like, earlier? Still, I guess it's cool, I guess. Barely enough to get that. Barely. Looks like I recently got a cold or something. Oh no. I want a bird that scattered a million directions. Oh yes, you want to hurt yourself. I don't blame you. Also, I feel like this, I would really like if this type of firebird thing or the new bird that's added to be, immune to the any fire. Because that would honestly be cool. Like deal with it getting scattered around. Oh no! Guapo! Idiot! You are. Oh, what? Oh no! Did I die? Second death just because I'm blaming you on the bird. I now really like this game. I totally don't need to say that. Not a way of sarcasm or anything. But honestly, this is actually very good. Stupid bird making your tutty twatty sounds. I don't think I'm supposed to go here. I think this is the wrong area. Did I just block myself or something? What am I supposed to do? What is this rubbish game? What is this? I'm having fun already. This is not even like I'm not even halfway through this level. And I'm having the most fun imaginable. Oh. Back God, what that bird. You know what? I'm killing myself. I'm doing that again. You know what? I'm just going to go back. Gotta love how this game teaches you things easily. Like, I think I'm an idiot for not doing that. Like, seriously, I lack a lot of common sense. Very clearly, the game. Easily, it's my fault. Not I guess. Yeah, I like. Also, I know what makes me frustrate more is the fact of me lying is the fact I'll have to count them just to make my pain even more. Oh! My birds all left alone. That's fine. Totally fine. I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't even mind. Dude is guapo. These birds love to play hide and seek. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if Flicky's favorite games are hide and seek. This game really wants to test my patience. What the hell does Guapo do? He literally wants to run away. Guapo, please, what did I do? I'm literally saving you. Thank God I managed to do that. I deserve. Ugh. This game. What's this? I think I'm supposed to spin dash into this. Oh wait, I think I have to like. Oh yeah, this game is horrendous. And this game, you have to jump on it perfect. Yeah, perfectly. This game expects you to be very patient. I'm just gonna pause for a second just to think about how many times I died in this level. I think I died 3 times. Literally the most ever in all of the zones combined. That actually says something. What the hell is this? Is the game trying to Is the game trying to just defy logic? Is it trying to break its own rules where I can just pass through things like that? This game is now oh yeah, everyone's favorite thing. So easy to jump on. I think I something from die. Like I mean, somebody has something from dementia could easily do this. Or even not big. I have a feeling if you touch that water, you can touch the water and get hurt. God, if you go down, finally the end of the level. Yes, please. End this level which I died the most out of all in the entire series of my Sonic 3 Blast. Yes. Carnivali Zuni. Yeah, I like more gimmicks that want to make me want to throw this mobile device away. And you go, oh wait, you gotta love how there's lava. You can just, I know, actually go down and hurt yourself. It just makes me want, it's just so much fun. I like it. Yeah, you can see, you can get hurt. Cool. Isn't that just satisfying? The way you get hurt and lose all your rings, and the way you lose all your flickies. Isn't it just satisfying? And you gotta love how that type of jump rope type of fire thingy. Isn't that just cool? You gotta love how you can lose your birds like the. Isn't that just cool? Yeah, I got a something I guess. Finally, this road is a little more bad. It's more manageable. And since I have the fire sealed. Who needs a conveyor belt when you have a little fire sealed? This is literally supersonic in this game. By the way. Oh, why did I do that? Oh god. I feel like I got hit in the head for doing that. I want to slap myself right now for doing that. I am an obstacle. Now I am just an obstacle in this game. Yeah. Oh no, I have to avoid it. I got PTSD flashbacks of that Spartan relic ruins. If you watch my relic ruins video, you know what I'm talking about. And we definitely know what to talk about. What do you want? I think I'll just go keep. What did I do? Here, idiot. Pain. I don't care how you say it. You deserve the pain. Eggman looks like a. Doesn't he do? Eggman looks more like a hero compared to cookies. The last. Yeah, it's a green. Yeah, I guess. You go love how it actually takes you back here. Thank God I don't have to do that. Go take a insanely long time. This game is giving me PTSD just because of the Relic Ruins flashback thing. Oh, I have 15% battery. You know what to say? You gotta go charge. Hey guys, I just want to say that. Yeah, I'll just put charge later though. See where I think I can charge it. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to charge the thing that's there. Yeah, and use my battery. It's all like my battery could easily, become 0 in 5 minutes. As long as I don't suck in the game. Because obviously I have, so I guess I'm probably 0% or something. Did these people even try to make that difficult to get? At least in the other ones they're difficult because they need all the birds. But this, you could literally just not even have any birds. Still manage to get it. That's so stupid. I hate how those conveyors. If you later on come and find it, they'll go down. Like, that is horrible. This is not fine. They can trust you, maybe. Great. Now the birds love to go on. Birds, birds. I hate you. I hope you die one day because you seriously deserve it. Birds, birds, just die. Oh, oh. I feel like I want to. I'm having. This game is literally makes Sonic 06 looks like a masterpiece. I'd rather eat dog food for 2 years than play this game. I did that by accident a little bit. You know what? Yeah, I know something I'm gonna do. Haha, I cheated! I don't care. I'm hating this game now. I'm gonna cheat now. I don't care. I don't care if that's bad. I don't care. I hate this game deserves. This is a game I should cheat anyway. Oh, game over. Yeah, I'm gonna cheat. I don't care what you say. I don't care if you say that. Oh, you're such a noob. Bro has skill issues. LOL. I don't care. How do I get hurt? I know what I'm gonna do. Sometimes if you hate this game, just cheat it. Literally, I'm just gonna cheat. You know what? I'm gonna complete the rest of this game. Yeah, I'm in the second level of gain something. Cool, it's a boss. Wow, I'm in the final zone. Cool, I'm in the second last. Cool, it's a boss. Not even a final boss. Look, I beat the game! Yeah! Hooray! I just beat this awful game. Oh wait. I think I'm gonna do something. Oh yeah! Wow, guys! Did you see how I beat it? Gee, man! I took too much effort in beating it. Wow.
Sonic, you say that from the Monday we are here for my effort. I just do what I want to do. Nobody messes with my.
I just do what I wanted to do. Nobody mess with my enemies. Haha. The Flickies have been freed. Peace and freedom came back to Flicky Island. Okay. Cool credits. Too bad. Like, when you see a person. Okay. Where's the level designer? Level designer. I'm just waiting for level designer. Level designer. Hello, can you give me level design? That's the person I actually care about the most. I don't care about programmer or background artist or 3D balls and animation. 3D balls and animation are the cool people, honestly. The people who do animation are probably the people I like the most. Okay. Game concept design. Playfield design. I don't think that's level design. But if it is Taka Miyoshi and Hirokazu Yasura, you bet you should be shameful for what you have done. Document translations, lead tester, assistant lead tester, assistant lead tester. I had big technical support, marketing. I don't care about marketing. Advisors, Yuji Naka, the person who created Sonic. I don't think you would advise people about. I think you would advise people not to play this game, because if I saw this game, I would have torn it apart and sued the people for making it. Level design? Oh, I guess that type of thing which said had the other people, I guess. Playground thing was them. All I want to say is that you guys are the